In this video, we're diving into Ecom Degree University, often called EDU, and whether it's actually worth it for beginners trying to learn e-commerce. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we keep things simple, honest, and fluff-free as possible. And if you're anything like me when I started down this e-commerce rabbit hole, then you've probably noticed something, that there are a lot of programs out there promising to teach you how to make money online. Everywhere you turn, there's someone selling a blueprint, a framework, a secret system, or a done-for-you path to financial freedom. And when you're new, it's really hard to know which of these programs are genuinely helpful or which ones are just repackaged YouTube videos behind a paywall. Ecom Degree University is one of the bigger names floating around right now, especially on TikTok and Instagram. It's run by entrepreneur William Rivera, and the whole pitch is that it gives you step-by-step training for Amazon FBA, dropshipping, TikTok affiliate marketing, and a handful of other online income models. Today, we're gonna break everything down in a simple, honest way. We'll talk about what the program teaches, what it does well, where it may fall short, how realistic the results are, and the type of person who will actually benefit from it. So, if you've been thinking about signing up, or you're just trying to understand what you'd be getting yourself into, then stick around. This is gonna save you a lot of time, energy, and maybe even some money. Why people look for courses like this? There's product research, there's sourcing, there's learning the platforms, advertising, branding, customer service. There's the fear of losing money. And honestly, there's just the fear of not knowing what you don't know. So if you're watching this wondering whether you're crazy for even considering paying for a course, you're not. A lot of people invest because they want guidance, clarity, and a sense of direction. And that's exactly what EDU tries to offer. What Ecom Degree University actually is. All right, now let's talk about EDU itself. So at its core, Ecom Degree University is an online training program that covers several online income models with a heavy emphasis on e-commerce. The main focus is Amazon FBA and dropshipping, but it also touches on TikTok affiliate marketing and a few other ways to earn online. The vibe of the program is very all-in-one. Once you join, you get access to around 9 to 10 hours of video content, a community of over 20,000 students, 3 live coaching calls per week, 24/7 community support through the WAP app, step-by-step guides for FBA, dropshipping, and more. The positioning is basically like, you don't have to figure this out alone. Here's the roadmap and here's the support. And honestly, for some people, that alone is worth paying for. But let's break down what the program actually teaches, because this is where people either love it or feel like it didn't go deep enough. The curriculum. What you'll actually learn. Instead of listing modules, let's talk about this in a story-like way so it feels like you're actually going through the program. Number 1, setting the foundation. The first thing EDU does is set expectations. And honestly, this is something they do pretty well. Talk about mindset, consistency, patience, and building habits that help you actually follow through. Now, none of this is complicated, but it's an important piece because most beginners quit long before they ever see results. And hearing someone say out loud that e-commerce takes time, it's refreshing, especially compared to the get rich in 30 days vibe that you see everywhere online. Number 2, finding products that actually sell. Once the basics are out of the way, EDU dives right into product research. This is one of the biggest reasons that people join the course, because it's confusing if you've never done it before. They walk through how to look for demand, how to check for competition, how to measure profit margins, why some products flop, how trends play into your decision, and how to use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Ecom Hunt. The examples they show are pretty relatable. Things like home items, simple everyday products, and niche items you'd never expect. The section is solid, especially for beginners who need structure. 3, finding and contacting suppliers. Next, they get into sourcing, and honestly, this is where a lot of beginners get nervous. No one wants to message suppliers on Alibaba and feel like they're saying the wrong thing. EDU gives you scripts for reaching out, how to spot red flags, how to negotiate, how to compare sample quality, and whether private label or drop shipping is right for you. This section alone can probably save people a few major headaches. There's nothing super advanced here, but the information's very practical and easy to digest. 4, setting up your store, Amazon or Shopify. This is the part most people think they'll breeze through until they realize how many little things matter. Listing photos, titles, keywords, descriptions, pricing, brand voice, shipping settings, inventory settings. EDU walks through Amazon Seller Central for FBA and through Shopify for dropshipping. These walkthroughs are helpful, especially visually. Even if you've watched YouTube videos, having everything in one place is super convenient. 5, marketing and advertising, the make or break stage. Then you get into marketing, and this is the piece that usually determines who makes money and who doesn't. The course covers Facebook ads, TikTok ads, influencer marketing, Amazon PPC, basic content creation, understanding performance metrics. Now, does it go super deep into advanced advertising strategies? Not really. But does it give you enough to start running ads and get your first data? Yes. Now, one thing I will say is that beginners often underestimate how much money advertising costs. EDU doesn't hide that, but they also don't hammer it as hard as they probably should. Paid ads are expensive. You'll make mistakes, and your first product probably won't be your winner. 6, logistics, fulfillment, and the operational stuff. Another solid section is fulfillment, especially the Amazon FBA part. They walk you through sending inventory to Amazon, labeling, barcodes, returns, restock limits, and managing expectations. For dropshipping, they talk about automating orders and staying organized with suppliers, and this section feels very process-oriented, which is perfect for beginners. 7, scaling and outsourcing. Once your store's up and running, EDU talks about hiring VAs, automating customer service, growing your product line, reinventing profits back into the business, avoiding burnout, setting up systems so you're not glued to your laptop. I like how practical this section is. It's not about living on the beach or working 4 hours a week. It's more about building something sustainable. The community and support system. One of the biggest selling points of EDU is the community. With over 20,000 students and 3 live coaching calls every week, you're not learning alone. You can drop questions, get feedback, ask for help, and stay accountable. For some people, this alone is worth the price because e-commerce can feel lonely when you're trying to figure everything out by yourself. But, and this is important, the quality of support depends on how active you are. If you show up, ask questions, and participate, you'll get tons of value. But if you sit back quietly, the community won't magically solve problems for you. All right, now let's get into some pros and cons, starting with the pros. What EDU actually does well. Number 1, it gives you structure. Instead of saying, go watch 200 YouTube videos, EDU gives you a roadmap. There's no guessing, no bouncing around, no wondering if you missed something important. 2, clear, beginner-friendly expectations. The videos are simple, direct, and easy to follow. You don't feel lost, even on the technical stuff. The community is active. It's not a ghost town. People are posting wins, asking questions, and sharing progress every day. Realistic tone. So they don't overpromise inside the program, even if the marketing around it can be more hype-driven. Now for the cons, or where EDU may fall short. Number 1, the price tag is high. EDU is priced at $1,997, which is on the higher end for e-commerce courses. And remember, that's just the course. You'll still need product samples, inventory, advertising budget, tools like Helium 10, product photography, packaging, possibly a trademark, and all the little unexpected expenses that come up. So if you're on a tight budget, you might feel squeezed. It's not a deep dive program. The training is straightforward and beginner friendly, but doesn't go extremely deep. If you want advanced level advertising, conversion rate optimization, or long-term brand strategy, you won't find it here. 3, the market is competitive. This isn't EDU's fault, but Amazon FBA and dropshipping are tougher now than they were a few years ago. You'll need resilience and consistent testing. 4, time commitment. E-commerce isn't quick, and it's not passive. EDU won't magically change this. You'll spend hours researching, tweaking, testing, and failing before you succeed. 5, there are upsells. Now, there are optional coaching and service upgrades. Nothing scammy, but just something to be aware of. So who EDU is actually good for? So after going over everything, I think EDU is great for someone who wants structure instead of bouncing between YouTube videos, has at least a few hundred to a few $1,000s to invest into their business. They learn well with support and community. Someone who's willing to test, fail, adjust, and try again. Someone who wants a program that covers multiple business models so they can choose which one fits best. Now, it's not ideal for someone who has a super tiny budget, who expects quick results, who wants an advanced level training program, and who wants guaranteed outcomes or isn't prepared for trial and error. So, is Ecom Degree University worth the investment? Here's my honest take. If you want structure, support, and a clear roadmap, and you have the budget not only to buy the course, but also actually build the business, then EDU can give you everything that you need to get started. Now, on the other hand, if your budget's tight or you prefer deep dives or you're expecting fast results, then this might not be the right fit. No course, not EDU, not anyone's, can guarantee success. Success comes from persistence, patience, and your willingness to keep trying after things don't go as planned. So use EDU as a guide, but remember the execution will always be on you. So if you want to check out Ecom Degree University or any other alternatives that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means the channel earns a small commission if you end up joining at no extra cost to you. And this helps support the channel and lets us keep creating free content just like this. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Here we post honest reviews, tutorials, and deep dives to help you grow your online business with confidence. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.